welcome to my channel, Just Rhea. My name is Rhea, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my most newest electronic device that I received that is going to help out with this poor audio that I have. So if many of you have watched my most recent videos, since I moved to this location, you noticed the audio sucked. And oh my God, y'all, I was feeling so down about it. But there is one thing that I could do to fix that audio, and that was simply to just buy a microphone to enhance it. So that's what I'm going to be just showing you here today. I'm going to unbox it for you guys so you can see, and then I'm gonna hook up the audio so that you can hear. And I'll put the links in the description box below so that if you're interested in a mic like this, you can get you one. So before we do all of that, this mic, this is what it looks like. It's called a Vmic Mini. It has a directional condenser microphone for shooting videos with DSLR or mirrorless cameras and smartphones. Did you hear me? And smartphones. A lot of us record our videos with smartphones or tablets, devices like that. So that's huge. Pricing. The price was $59.99, but guess what? You don't have to buy any additional cords. I know with a lot of microphones, you have to try to piece it together to get it to work with your smart device, because most microphones now, they are built to work with cameras, not tablets or iPhones or Android phones. So this one comes with a cord. It comes with a cord to go to your camera, and it also comes with a cord to go with your iOS device. That is so awesome. So this is it on the camera, and that's the mic. The features are, it has an output to both DSLR and smartphones, which I already said that. It has a 3.5 millimeter TRS and TRRS output cables that are included. I already told you that. It has integrated shoe and shock mounts so that you can mount it onto your camera, or if you have a tripod that has an additional mounting space, you can put it on top of there. It's a plug-in use design, and it has a foam windscreen that it's included. And it has a rugged aluminum body. So it says it's perfect for content creators, videography, podcasting, live streaming, interviews, blogging, travel, weddings, events, and so much more. That is awesome, because that is exactly what I need it for. Not everything that I listed, but most of the things. And this is the entire box. I got it from my local Best Buy for $59.99. And this is it right here. And it flips up, I think. Oh, okay. Flips open like this. And I'll show you the rest of the pieces when I turn the camera around. Be right back. Okay, so as stated before, it comes with the foam windscreen. So this is supposed to block the wind if you're vlogging or doing any outside videography videos, it'll do that. This is the actual mic. Very nice looking. It has a little weight to it. This is the shock mount. And that's the condenser, I think. Yeah. And then this is one of the cords. So this is, okay, so it says to iOS. I don't know if you can see that, but it says it right there. So this is the 3.5 millimeter, this is the 3.5 millimeter to TRRS cord. So this is what you will use to connect it to your iOS device. This is the 3.5 TRS output cable. So this goes to the from the microphone to the camera. All right, so I'm gonna flip the camera back around and we're gonna test out the audio. Okay guys, so I have a tripod for this and that's what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna set my tripod up. And if you don't have a tripod, you can use, you know, whatever it is that you want to use. You can, I also have a ring light that has these little mount things that you slide in. So I could use that as well, but I would rather do this. So twisting it on to the tripod. And I'm positioning the mic to where it's pointed towards me, and I'm putting on the foam to block out the wind, even though there isn't any right now, but hey, I want to use it the way that it was intended for. So I have my, this is the device that you're also going to need to connect this end to. So this end is going to go here. And then this end is going to go in here. And then this end is going to go into the charger port of the iPhone. All right, guys, you should hear a difference in the audio. Let me know in the comment section below by way of a thumbs up if you hear the audio difference. Let me know how it sounds. Just let me know your thoughts. I'm so excited because I feel like this is a step up and a step in a good direction of enhancing my channel. I'm looking to get back into doing more YouTube videos now that I'm in a comfortable creative space, and that gets me in the creative mind space to create. So like I said, this is the Vmic Mini, Saramonic Vmic Mini, and you can get it at Best Buy or Amazon. I think I seen a link there. And there's a few other websites that I've seen it in when I searched it in Google. I will list a few of them in the description box below. But if you shop at Best Buy frequently, I suggest you get it from there because you can use your points and turn them into gift certificates, and that will take the price of the $59.99 down. So I really got mine for just $49.99 because I used a $10 gift certificate. I could have used 20 or maybe 30, but I decided to save some because Christmas is coming up, you know, so I'm trying to save some of my certificates for these toys. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what you think in the comment sections below. See you later. Peace.